Gouache is a lovely painting medium, but there are situations where you might want to varnish it, especially if you want to frame it without glass. The first thing that you need to do is to protect the paint barrier from any varnishes that we'll put on top of it. So you're going to use a spray varnish. And that's going to keep anything that we apply to the paint surface from smearing or melting the paint. Once that dries, we're going to go into the studio and you need something called an acrylic isolation coat. This is a clear glossy barrier that will protect the painting, and you'll also need a soft brush and probably some gloves just to keep your hands clean. The application of the isolation coat allows the final varnishing layer to be removed later on, and so that means that the painting can be cleaned and varnish can be reapplied if the painting yellows or anything like that. When you apply the isolation coat, go horizontally and vertically and make sure that there's no ridges left by the acrylic, and you'll let that dry for 24 hours. After that, we're going to apply a standard varnish, gloss varnish, and this is Gamvar by Gamblin with a varnishing brush. Again, we'll go both directions with our brushing, but again, you can go over it with a soft brush to get any hair or debris or dust, and just to make sure everything is smooth. Once that dries for 24 hours, you're going to have a deep richness and a gloss to it. The painting is going to look very similar to when you were originally painting it. The darks will be darker and the lights will be lighter, and it means that you can frame this painting without glass. And if it gets dusty or yellowed in time, that varnish can be removed and the isolation coat protects the painting, and you can apply varnish again. If you want to see this painting painted in real time, click this video here. Try this varnishing technique out for yourself, and remember, you have a voice that matters. Go be creative. I'll see you next time.